Back again with Sexy Chi TV, celebrity readings here on YouTube. And the first thing you might be thinking is, who are they? I thought this was about celebrities. Well, we are embracing It's a Small World After All. Very international celebrity as well, because there are different markets, around the world. Philippine celebrities, Catherine Julia Janela and Liza. Now, there's other dynamics to talk about, but again, we want to look at energy and presence, professional image from around the world, and that's been a big important core of my own background and evolution, because there are a lot of things we can learn by think outside the bun. We want to reference other things, especially not just from image and, there's so many things fashion-wise and cross-cultural appropriation, which I think is healthy when it's done with respect generally for fashion and accessorizing. But energetically, these women really actually have star presence. And it is a very feminine presence in the sense that they are yin embodied. So they have water and earth energy. And it's quite different from a lot of like early girls' generation, which was a lot of light energy receivingness. These women, as a cross-reference point, have that yin embodiment. So like they're their own independent, developed women, but it's in a healthy way that's not necessarily closed off to the masculine. It's a pretty healthy expression. So I did want to reference that. So upcoming performers, aspiring performers, I know Philippines has this massive, it's crazy because everyone sings in the Philippines. And so it has its own dynamics going on. Well, what's going to help aspiring performers to rise as a star is working on their energy to have star presence and charisma now, so that they're actually ahead in their presence now. So that can all be done working with an artist and their energy, their beliefs, their subconscious, without waiting until the external reality of fame catches up to you to reflect back to you. You can actually work to have that presence now. So in referencing others, they actually do have more of this star power presence, so they must be stars. That's what I'm thinking. Sure, in the regional market or whatever, or the national market, and maybe not as international, but that's where the future of music is heading, where we're going to get more of this intercultural cross-border influence beyond certain regions and so forth. You're going to start seeing more. David Guetta is from France, and the mix that's going on with a lot of US artists with him producing. We're going to see more of that kinds of stuff in the future. So start thinking global now, reference other performers and their energy and what you like, what you might feel reflects or resonates with you or where you want to be. So it's a healthy embodied feminine presence that's still open to powerful masculine energy. And that's amazing. Okay, so that's all for now. Just some different reference points. Subscribe to this channel, check it out. It's Rion, your host.